Hey everybody, welcome back to Matt Breaks Wax. I've got a small little Facebook Marketplace deal, just 2 boxes. But they're a little bit different than what I normally do. We're a little bit later than what I normally collect. This is $19.99 tops. Grabbed these off of Facebook Marketplace. Price was right. Check out the Ravens Crucial Catch. I think this is a 2023 Crucial Catch. Alright, let's see here. We're in the 99 tops. We're looking for MVP parallel game. We're looking for randomly inserted Nolan Ryan reprints, refractors, finest. It's all in there. Alright, so let me see if I can get this open here. This is oh, here we go. Okay, look at this. There's a little insert right there, right off the bat. Got this Roger Clemens card that is huge. Okay. Very cool. Number 1 there. Roger Clemens, a gold. I'm gonna have to look that up. It wasn't even anything that was getting ripped open. So here we go. Top 2 packs off the top. Everybody knows the made-up rules. Oh man, there's a fly in my truck. That's so annoying. Alright, let's see if I can do these foil packs one-handed. The wax is so much easier than the foil. Ooh, that was actually pretty good. That went rather easily. Doesn't feel like there's many cards in this pack. Eric Milton. Is this how all the cards were? Just that gold foil? I don't know. I didn't collect this year. That could just be standard. I don't know. Topps Gold used to be special. Masato Yoshi. This is Dave Martinez. Okay. Picture Perfect. That is Derek. That did not look like Jeter, but it is. There it is. Yeah, okay. I don't know. It didn't look like Jeter at first. He's making a face. But yeah, it's a Derek Jeter. That's always a good card. Matt Williams. Oh man, that fly is crawling on my arm. I'm really trying to hold still. Andy Pettit. And we've got Larry Sutton. World Series 98, Andy Pettit. That's a great card. I like that. Looks like it's a refractor. Cool. Very cool. You know, this year, I think, was the year they did all of the Mark McGwire inserts as well. I think there's like 70 of them because of his home run season in 98, and I think there's like 66 Sammy Sosas. We're gonna get an assist on that. Here we go. So it'd be cool to hit one of those. We'll check it out. We'll see what we get. This is pack number 2. Alright, trying to make it a little table here makes it easier, but it keeps falling. Alright. I guess this was the standard with the gold trim there. Jimmy Haynes, Aaron Seeley, Jose Valentin, Kenny Rogers, still pitching in 99. Did not realize that. Mickey Morandini, Rusty Greer, Jerry DePoto, I don't remember him, and Paul Konerko, I do remember him. Well, that's cool, folks. I'm excited to get into the rest of this box. Obviously, the nice Andy Pettit and the Derek Jeter, those are going to be the highlights of these 2 packs. I got another box in this series. I'll be opening up here shortly, so Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss when that video drops.